This problem is closely related to problem 1-4 in the life section. Now it is white's turn, and the goal is to start a ko. So black, of course, is hoping that white will want to destroy some of these eyes, but black can live this way. Or if white plays here, then black can play this, and now these 2 points are what we call mi eye. If white plays one, black will play the other and will make a living shape. So the key here to start a ko is to play here on the 2-1 point. The best black can do is to preserve this eye. And now white pulls back, saving 1 and 3. Black can only make this eye. And now white will throw in and start this ko. And that is the correct answer. So this is a very basic pattern that you should know. It does sometimes come up in games, and if you're white, you should know how to start a ko. And if you're black, you should watch problem 1-4 in the life section to know how black can make a living shape instead of playing a move here. Thank you for watching.